How to get an easy hairstyle or how to get an easy haircut, that's the focus of today's video, and I'm going to keep this fairly simple, and it really comes down to how much effort you want to put into your hair. So a lot of times people may complain that it takes them way too long to do their hair, but then again, there's a lot of you who are really just committed and obsessed to making your hair look good. You know, you're purchasing products, you're supporting my products, and I appreciate all that. And on the flip side, there's also people who want an easy type of hairstyle or an easy type of haircut. You could still use products, but it really comes down to choosing the right hairstyle for your lifestyle, right? It's the hairstyle for the lifestyle, if you think about it. So I have a few examples here. One is the classic undercut haircut. Now, what makes this so simple? One, you can actually maintain a lot of it yourself at home. It just depends on you. So I would suggest maybe getting the original haircut done professionally, because I've seen many times someone may go into, or yourself may go into like a barber shop or something, and I've actually fixed up a lot of these crime scene haircuts where the undercut part, the disconnection is so uneven that it's like way up here and then way down here and way up here. And that's why I suggest going to someone who really can make sure it's perfect. And don't be afraid to actually say, hey, can I look in the mirror to see the back? And if you see at any point during that, do not let them cut. And let's just kind of mess this up here. And if you see an undercut where it looks like this, or it's really uneven, do not let the barber or stylist or anybody put clippers to your hair, because this is going to be an absolute nightmare. And let me know in the comments below if you've ever gotten an undercut like this and they've actually screwed up the line and made it so uneven that, you know, it just keeps getting higher and higher. But what makes this very easy is the fact that once this is done, you can then, if you want to take on that responsibility or that risk, you can then maintain the sides. You can, you know, buzz it all the way up. You can do a skin, you know, something like this. You can use a number 1 guard or 0 guard and just keep maintaining the sides and the back on your own, or you can just let it grow out and just let this hair always constantly hang over this. This works best for people who have, you know, perfectly silky, smooth, straight hair, where you don't have to worry about constantly blow drying it. It's not going to get frizzy or anything. It's just always going to lay like this. If you, again, want something very simple or very easy, then this is going to be a great look for you, because it's very low maintenance, and all you have to do is maintain the sides and the back if you want to keep it short. If not, you can use it like a number 4 guard, and it doesn't even look like it's that disconnected. You can camouflage it easier and go every, you know, 4 weeks or so without worrying about it looking too bad. So that's one option. The next option is something like this, a bit more of a traditional type of haircut. Now, obviously, this is going to require a bit more maintenance. Maybe, you know, you can try this yourself at home, or you can get this done in a barbershop or in a salon to where you're getting the sides maintained, however you get it done, whatever type of fade that you want. But the top is just relatively short, and all you have to do is basically blow dry it within 5 minutes and use some sort of styling product from my line, like one of the crafted products or my reformulated and updated Clutch XL, which is amazing. And you literally just take some product, put it in your hands, work it through, and your style is done within under 5 to 6 minutes, and that's it. Then you're out the door. So again, you have to make sure, even though it's a simple, easy haircut, right, you still have to have a good haircut regardless. This could be even shorter than this, and it could be an absolute monstrosity or a disaster of a haircut. As long as you have a hairstyle or a haircut that is still good, if it's very easy to do at home, then that's going to save you a lot of time, and that may be the right hairstyle for your lifestyle. Don't forget, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.